The latest collection of awesome home garden landscaping ideas. Transform your backyard into a lush paradise with the last collection of awesome home garden landscaping ideas. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the ultimate inspiration for creating a stunning garden oasis right at home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, our curated collection of landscaping ideas will ignite your creativity and help you achieve the garden of your dreams. In this video, we've gathered a variety of incredible garden landscaping concepts that cater to every style, space, and budget. From vibrant flower beds and tranquil water features to modern hardscapes and sustainable gardening tips, we've got it all covered. Join us as we explore stunning flower arrangements and plant combinations. Serene water features like ponds, fountains, and waterfalls. Creative container gardening ideas for limited spaces. Elegant and functional hardscape designs for outdoor living, eco-friendly and sustainable gardening practices. Unique garden art and decor to add a personal touch. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, our garden landscaping ideas will spark your imagination and help you create an outdoor haven that reflects your style and personality. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you find these ideas inspiring. Share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and let's make every garden a masterpiece. Get ready to dive into the world of breathtaking garden landscapes and embark on your own gardening journey. Let's turn your home garden into an awe-inspiring sanctuary